Hello student, this is RAUTELA. Today I am going to discuss about refraction of light. Refraction of light means bending of light. Dear students, initially we have studied about reflection of light. Reflection of light means bouncing back of light. In this case, now we are going to discuss about reflection and refraction. This topic is refraction of light. Refraction means when light travels from one transparent medium into another, it gets bent. It means light ray changes its path. This bending of light is called reflection of light. When light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Dear students, look at here. In this figure, first medium is rarer medium and second is denser medium. When light travels from rarer to denser, it bends towards the normal. You have to observe that this is incident ray and this should be direction of the ray. But after refraction, light rays passing towards the normal. This is first rule of the refraction of light. Means when light rays travels from rarer to denser, it bends towards the normal. In this case, light is bending towards the normal. Second, in this second figure, when light rays travels from denser to rarer, suppose this medium is denser and second medium is rarer. In this case, light rays bends away from the normal. This is incident ray and this is bending away from the normal. So according to definition of refraction, refraction means bending of light when light travels from one medium into another medium. Next, we will discuss about refraction of light through a glass prism. In case of glass prism, when a ray of light passes through a rectangular glass, it gets bent twice at the air glass interface and at the glass air interface. Air glass means first light will travel from air to glass and after that light will travel from glass to air. In this case, we will observe many different things. When a ray of light passes through a rectangular glass slab, it gets bent twice at the air glass interface and glass air interface. The emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray and is displaced through a distance. First, you have to know about what is the meaning of air glass interface. Air glass interface means when light will travel from air to glass. In this case, light is traveling from air to glass. So this interface is air glass interface. And when light will travel from glass to air, that will called glass air interface. In this case, we have initially studied about when light travels from rarer to denser. Rarer medium means air, and in this case and in case of glass slab, denser means glass. First, initially light falling on the surface of glass. So initially light in rarer medium. After this, light is bending towards the normal because light is going from rarer medium into denser medium. First thing is, what is the meaning of incident ray? Incident ray means a ray which will fall on the surface of glass. This is incident ray. Second is normal. Normal means perpendicular line on the surface of glass slab. Next, angle of incident. Angle of incident is angle between incident ray and normal. Second, light is bending towards the normal. This is bending and refracted ray. And second, refracted means which get refracted from the surface and an angle between refracted ray and normal is known as refracted angle. Now we will discuss next thing. This is the direction of ray. Now light is going from denser medium to rarer medium, and in this case light will bend away from the normal. This is next refracted ray. Second time refracted ray from the glass prism is known as emergent ray. Emergent means second time refracted ray from glass prism is known as emergent ray. And you have to know about what is the angle of emergent. Angle of emergent means angle between normal and emergent ray. Dear students, these are important topics of this refraction of glass prism topic. And now you have to know about lateral displacement. Important topic of this refraction is lateral displacement. Lateral displacement, this distance between emergent ray and direction of incident ray is known as lateral displacement. Lateral displacement is a distance between direction of incident ray and emergent ray is known as lateral displacement, and always incident ray and emergent ray remains parallel to each other. Now we will discuss about laws of refraction. Laws of refraction. First, in this case, incident ray, refracted ray and normal all lies in the same plane. Incident ray, refracted ray and normal all lies in the same plane. Second is most important rule of refraction is ratio of sine of angle of incident to the sine of angle of refraction is always constant, and this law is known as Snell's law, and we can say that sine I upon sine R always constant. Next topic is refractive index. Dear students, general meaning of refractive index is ratio of speed of light in any two medium is known as refractive index. First one is absolute refractive index and second is relative refractive index. Absolute refractive index means when light travels from air to any denser medium, and relative refractive index means when light travels in any two denser medium. Suppose light is traveling from glass to air, traveling from glass to diamond. In this case, glass and diamond, both these are denser medium. We can say that this is relative refractive index. In case of absolute refractive index, we can see that light travels from air to glass. And generally, when we say refractive index of glass, refractive index of water, refractive index of diamond, in this case, we have to conclude that light is traveling from air to that particular medium. And according to this, absolute refractive index of a medium is the ratio of speed of light in air or vacuum to the speed of light in that medium. And formula of this, n is equal to c upon v. C means speed of light in air or vacuum, that is equal to 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Relative refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 is the ratio of speed of relative refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is the ratio of speed of light in medium 1 to the speed of light in medium 2. This is the formula of refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. Dear student, in our next video, we will discuss about numerical law of refractive index. Thank you.